got put in chains as you spoke to Jeremy. Teen spirit shame when you were in the rooster and you couldn't contain an avid music listener. Another bell rattles for the Sons of Seattle, and another bell rattles for the Sons of Seattle.